Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my go-to look. I wear this look pretty much everywhere. I'll wear this look to the club, to the grocery store, to the nail salon, work, lunch, brunch, you name it. This is my go-to look. Whenever I don't know what I'm going to do with my makeup, this is what I always find myself going back to. So stay tuned if you're interested in checking out how I achieved this look. I'm going to first moisturize my face. I'm feeling a little dry today, so I'm using the St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer. For foundation today, I'm using one of my Old Faithfuls, which is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This one's in 330 Toffee, so I'm just gonna apply that. Got my foundation on, so now it's time for brows. Obviously, Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. So I'm just gonna brush my brows out and go ahead and fill them in. So I got my brows filled in, and now I'm gonna go in and clean them up. I clean up my brows with foundation. I do not like cleaning them up with concealer because it's too light. So I just take a little bit of foundation on a flat brush. I'm just gonna clean these up. So the lashes that I'm using today are from Kiss. I can't remember the name right now. I'll have to look them up. But they're super wispy and really full. So I'm just putting glue on these so they can be ready when I'm done with my concealer. I'll wait on my lashes to dry. I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. This is my new go-to concealer. I absolutely love the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is bomb, and like, look how big this concealer is. It's crazy. So the color that I'm using is Warm Sand, and I love the wand. It's awesome. I just picked this up like right after Christmas and tried it out for the first time, so I know I'm a little bit late to the party, but just to say what's already been said and reconfirm, this concealer is bomb. Just blending this out with a beauty blender. I do not bake, but I do like to melt the powder into my skin, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the Sacha Buttercup Light Powder under my under eyes. So I got my lashes popped on, and then I'm just gonna blend in with my mascara. I use the Makeup Shayla mascara, Big Shot mascara by Maybelline, and I just applied it on my bottom lashes, and then blend in my lashes on the top. For blush, my go-to blush is from MAC Sweet Sweet Fantasy by Mariah Carey collection. I really like this blush, and then I mix it in with one of my favorites. I hardly have any more of this blush. It's from Morphe, and I do not know what the color is, so I'm so sad. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Sweet Sweet Fantasy on my cheekbones. Then I go in and I literally try to grab whatever's left in this little pan and then apply that on top. Once I've applied my blush, I go in with my highlighter. My recent go-to is this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the color Molten Gold, and it is popping. So just apply that on my cheekbones, on my nose, down the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna go on with my eyeliner. I use this one from e.l.f. It's in the color Charcoal, and I just do a super thin line over my lashes. I do that step just to help blend in my falsies with my lash line, and I don't like thick eyeliner, and I'm not a huge fan of wings either on me. They're starting to grow on me, but it's been a process. So I just do a thin line. So I told you guys that my go-to look is super simple, and I did not lie. I do not do eyeshadow when I am like, this is just like my go-to. I do not do eyeshadow. It doesn't matter if I'm not really feeling like being creative that day. This is the look that I do. But I do add some highlight on my inner corner, so I just go back into that Master Chrome with a pencil brush and just apply that into my inner corner. A lot of times this highlight is like perfect for my cheeks and my nose, but I like it to be a little bit brighter in my inner corner, so then I top it with this Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills, just to brighten it up just a little teensy bit more. And that's pretty much the whole look. I of course go in with my lips, so I'm going to show you guys my winning lip combo that I always go to, like always. So this is the NYX lip liner in brown, so I line my lips. Now, are y'all ready for this lip color? Major key number 1, Morphe lip gloss in the color Freebird. It's just a neutral mauve gloss. It's perfect for everyday wear, and it's pretty much perfect for whatever you have on that day. Love this gloss. And then I top it off with this lip gloss from J Nova collection in the color Cinnamon. I really love this lip gloss, and it just adds like the perfect touch on top of Freebird. And that's it. This is my go-to look for whatever. Lunch, brunch, going out, clubbing, doesn't matter. This is my go-to. It's super easy, super simple, like no eyeshadow look, but the lashes, the brows, and the gloss are really what makes this look. So I love it a lot. So Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.